Hello from Grand Valley Farm. It's April 24th, 2025, and I just got diesel at the tractor so I can finish moving the wood chips. Scoop, a little scoop, and drop this off, and this project can be over till the next load. There it is. That load of chips is now spread. Hopefully they'll bring me some more, and then I'll keep on going down this lane, and then I'll go behind the barn here, hook it to this other lane. Still have to move a lot of soil right here in this barn to level it out, and where the hay wagon is, that's got to be moved because they're going to put a loading dock there. So got some dirt to move, and then chip this too. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.